Affiliate marketing for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you what is affiliate marketing and how you can use affiliate marketing as a beginner. So first of all, we'll see what is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is a business model where website promotes product services for a company for some commission. It is a win for both sides as affiliate earn income without creating products and business expand their reach through affiliate promotions. So how you can start as an affiliate marketer? So first of all, you need to decide a niche. It can either be something that you are passionate about or it could be something that is extremely in demand. So you can select the niche on the basis of your interest. So a niche is basically a segment, target market or audience. So a market niche is typically characterized by a shared interest or demographic influencing product quality and price point. And after that, you just have to create a website. So website is basically help you to promote the product through SEO or your own efforts. So basically, once you decide on a niche, it is time to create a platform for your affiliate marketing campaign where there are many platforms to choose from. You can build your website, and an affiliate site provides a central hub for all your affiliate marketing content, giving you more opportunities to highlight promotional materials. And you can use any platform to make your website and go ahead and start promoting the product. So once you have created the website and you have selected the niche, you have to write excellent content. So the poor content and careless affiliate link placement will not convert your audience into buying customer. A successful affiliate marketing prioritize connecting and engaging with their existing audience to earn their trust. Therefore, creating valuable content that resonates with your audience is a must. It can convince your existing audience and boost your site performance on search result. A higher ranking increases the chances of attracting more organic traffic and new visitor. Whether it's a YouTube video, blog post or newsletter, you should aim at produce organic informative content that address the audience question or help them solve a particular issue. You can use different tools like Google Trend and other platforms to get the right keyword to promote your product. And after that, just drive traffic to your affiliate website. Once you have a good amount of published content, it's time to drive traffic to your affiliate site. Doing so is necessary to generate leads, boost conversion and attract potential customers. After that, just track your affiliate campaign. Properly monitoring affiliate link is essential for creating an affiliate revenue generating strategy. Get the most traffic and conversion, and this will boost your income as an affiliate marketer. So this is basically what is affiliate marketing, and you can also use affiliate marketing tool as a beginner. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.